Mastering Rhythms, the art of playing in the pocket. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that musicians, especially, will find intriguing: playing in the pocket. This term might sound a bit mysterious if you're not familiar with musical jargon, but fear not. We're here to unpack its meaning and significance, making it accessible for English language learners and music enthusiasts alike. So, let's get started and explore the rhythmic world of playing in the pocket. Playing in the pocket is a phrase that originates from the world of music, particularly within genres like jazz, funk, and soul, though it's widely appreciated across many forms of contemporary music. At its core, playing in the pocket refers to a musician's ability to play in perfect time with the beat, creating a groove that feels tight and cohesive. It's not just about keeping time. It's about meshing so well with the rhythm section that the music seems to flow effortlessly, enhancing the overall feel and groove of a piece. Understanding playing in the pocket requires a grasp of two crucial concepts: groove and timing. Groove is the element of music that makes you want to move or nod your head along with the beat. It's the infectious, compelling quality of rhythm that grabs and holds your attention. Timing, on the other hand, is about precision, hitting notes at just the right moment to maintain the rhythm. When musicians play in the pocket, their impeccable timing contributes to a powerful, irresistible groove that defines the heartbeat of the music. In a band setting, playing in the pocket is a collective effort, though the rhythm section, typically comprising the drummer, bassist, and sometimes the rhythm guitarist or keyboardist, plays a pivotal role. Each instrument must lock in with the others, creating a unified rhythmic foundation that allows for expressive solos and intricate melodies to soar. A drummer's steady beat, a bassist's grooving bass lines, and a guitarist's rhythmic strumming all contribute to the pocket, making the music feel alive and dynamic. To truly appreciate playing in the pocket, it helps to listen to examples. Classic funk bands like James Brown's backing band or the Meters are masters of the pocket, where every note and beat seems to fall in the perfect place, creating a tight, groovy sound. In the realm of pop, musicians like Bruno Mars and his band often exemplify playing in the pocket, especially in live performances where the rhythm section shines, driving the music forward with energy and precision. Understanding playing in the pocket enriches our appreciation of music and highlights the skill and coordination required to achieve that magical groove that gets our toes tapping. Whether you're a musician looking to improve your timing or an English language learner expanding your vocabulary, the concept of playing in the pocket offers valuable insights into the artistry of music making. We hope this exploration has been enlightening and that you'll carry this knowledge into your musical adventures. Thank you for joining us, and keep grooving.